Easy to use. Removes dirt. Reduces costly repairs. Prolongs motor life. Prolongs belt life. Top reviews from the United States. Works very well. After having damaged the treadmill from lack of lubrication, I decided to try the Lube-N-Walk. I've only used it once, but it was so much easier, and less messy, than having to loosen the belt and squirt lubricant underneath. I just spread the silicone on the foam pad, slid it under the belt, moved it back and forth a few times and pulled it out. It has inspired me to be more conscientious and lubricate more often than before. I highly recommend this product.